Okay, Miss Photogenic is candidate number 4. Number 4, forward, is to be awarded by Joel. Ikaw na lang mag-award. Go! Na ang photogenic nila Asash. Yan, photogenic. Okay? Ikaw na lang itong presenter karon. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 4. Bagay na title, Miss Photogenic. Naipin, wala. Ipaipit na lang sa bra. Okay, congratulations. Next special award is we have Darling of the Crowd. Judges, please do the verdict. Sino sa inyo ang pinaka-daghang fans sa tingin ninyo? And this time to be awarded by, of course, our presenter. Can we ask somewhere else? Our Darling of the Crowd, candidate number! Again, candidate number! People have spoken, candidate number 1! Oh, diba? Oh, dyan. Oh, yan. Oh, diba? Katong pauso karon na walk, diba? Kasagaran na yung mga terms sa mga walking. Katong kay hubog-hubog walk. Hubog-hubog walk. Ayan. Congratulations. Very good. Okay, next. We have our best in Napatay SM Choice Award to be given by the chairman Ikong and Kong. Can we allow SM Choice? You will receive sash and gift check, of course. This is worth 2,000 Kong. Ikaw na mag-ano?
Tikoy TV.
Ay, hindi daw siya. Presenter na lang. Ikaw na lang present. Ikaw na lang Joel. Okay. Judges, sino sa inyo ang feeling nyo ang SM Choice Award? Pangayos ang results sa judges dahil. Woo!